What's up YouTube? I'm going to take a look at QNT token starting off on the weekly chart. I've eliminated all the Elliott wave counts because we already know what they are. I mean, it's pretty obvious. You know, we had the A, B, C correction. This was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, or basically it could be a larger wave 1. So we all know that. There's no point putting that into the charts because it just clutters everything up, and yeah, we know what it is. And so yeah, we've got a 1-2-1-2 set up here, and we're looking to break out of this symmetrical triangle in the third gigantic Elliott wave. As long as this is the first wave, and we are, starting off a 5-wave impulse. It is debatable, we could be saying that this is an A, B, C correction. That scenario is still in play. But as long as we hold above that psychological 100 level and above this buy zone especially, I'm biased for the upside. Until that changes, I will continue to be bullish. So we do have quite a bit of resistance up above though. So yeah, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle here, and now we're looking to test this massive trend line that starts from the all-time high here back in 2021. So we have quite a bit of resistance up above here on the weekly. We have the 0.5 fib here at 131. We also have the 55 EMA here at 137, and the $150 level has proven to be tough to get over numerous times here. Once, twice, 3 times. So yeah, we should get some resistance here, but if we can break above this sell zone, the targets for QNT are 228, which was the swing high from last year, 258, and obviously the all-time high here at 430. So that's going by the weekly chart. On the daily, we have a golden ratio here at 216. So that's a very optimistic target, but it's definitely not out of the question. And since we have been sort of coiling up in this symmetrical triangle and now breaking above it, it's a very bullish sign. And the price action for QNT has been very lackluster the last 8 weeks, maybe 10 weeks maybe. So, traders would be getting very bored of this market, and, people are paying attention to other things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and whatever's pumping right now. So I do think that QNT can play some catch up here. And yeah, when it does finally, when the horse is bolted, it can rally very quickly. So these are the key levels to keep an eye on the daily. So we've got this sell box here between 150 and 170. So my target is this red box. That's why I've got it outlined on the chart. So yeah, I'll be taking profits once we reach this area here. So yeah, anything over 150 is good for me. And looking at stochastic RSI on the daily, bullish momentum. We've also got the MACD that's formed a bull cross and has plenty of room for upside, and the standard RSI is looking bullish but at the midpoint, so plenty of upside potential there. So those oscillators are looking pretty bullish actually on the daily for QNT. And I'll quickly just head over to the 4-hour chart. It's a lot cleaner, this chart, so we can have a look here. We broke out finally of this symmetrical triangle, broke above it and the 200 EMA at the same time. And we've come back down, tested it as support, and now rallying. So this is a very bullish indicator. If we can get above 126, then we'll target 131, which is a very key level here. So This Fibonacci goes all the way back to the all-time high. So that Fibonacci level is in play from this impulse move down. So that's why that's such a critical level. And then we have confluence around this level with the golden pocket area here. So yeah, short term, I think we get a rally towards this area here before finding some resistance. And then if we can find support in this zone again, we'll push up to this more macro sell zone and this trend line that's been going, but basically it's been in play since the all-time high. So they're my key levels for QNT. In the event of a downside move, 117 is a high demand zone here. It's been proven time and time again to offer support. And yeah, if we lose 106, which is looking less likely now, we'll head down below 100 into this zone here between 77.9 and 95.6. But yeah, the more likely scenario is we rally here. So anyway, I'm going to wrap that up and catch you guys in the next update.